Today I'm going to show you how to make a deliciously hearty and spicy chili. That's right, it's the perfect recipe for those chilly days. Well, I guess that makes sense.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's get to it. First up, onion. We're gonna start by dicing up an onion. He's dead now. I like to remove the skin from my onion because it provides a much better mouthfeel. Don't use this stuff, it's not good flavoring. Gonna dice up our onion. Spicy air. Then I'm gonna mince up about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. You shall be minced garlic. That's about how fine you want it. And now for the secret ingredient. Chipotles. Chipotles. Hello, friends. Ooh. We're gonna chop up about 4 chipotles. And now we're gonna do my super secret spice blend. Super secret spice blend. Got it, we got there together. We're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Haha! 1 tablespoon of cumin. Keep it going, dum-dum. 1 teaspoon of dried basilic, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon gunpowder. It's pepper. Don't use gunpowder. And we're gonna finish it off with about a teaspoon of salt. And now for the secret ingredient. Again, just a little snowfall of MSG. Now mix it all together. And that's our spice mix. Moving on. Oh darling, darling, make chili. Oh, won't you make chili? Let's cook our meat. Just a bit of oil to start off. We're gonna start with a bit of ground pork, bit of ground beef, bit of ground veal. It's really good. We're also gonna do a little bit of chorizo. Last episode was a vegetarian dish. So this week we're doing the opposite of that. We're using all the meats today. Maybe even human. Probably not human. Not human. No human meat today. Little secrets. Now we're gonna do the onions. Let's get these onions nice and sweaty. Onion, 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 onion. We're having fun here. We're having fun here. Once our onions have a nice little bit of color, we're gonna toss in our garlic. I'm also gonna put in a little bit of chili flakes. Now we're gonna cook this up until the onion becomes fragrant. Once it's fragrant, we're gonna add 1 can of San Marzano tomatoes. Woo! Ah! It's okay, it's okay. Everything's fine, everything's fine. We're gonna deglaze our pan with the San Marzano tomatoes. I blended the tomatoes beforehand, but you can put in whole ones if you like that mouth feel. I'm also gonna do 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I'm gonna put in my chipotles. It's gonna give us a nice little smoky chili. I'm also gonna do 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Ooh. Then I'm gonna do about 1 to 2 cups of beef broth. We're gonna have some beef broth. 1 to 2 cups of beef broth. And now for the secret ingredient. Again. A little bit of fermented Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Ooh, 60% of the time, it works every time. I do about a teaspoon. Look at that color. That's the color of hate. I do 1 can of black beans. We're gonna put our meat back in. Put your meat in. Then we're gonna finish it off with our spice mix. Ooh, yeah. On a scale of 1 to excited, I am excited. Now we're gonna let this simmer for about 2 hours, then we'll be ready to party. While the chili cooks, let's get our garnishes ready. We're gonna start by chopping up some bacon. Want some nice bacon bits. We're gonna chop up some pickled jalapeños. Also gonna do some green onions. And for the shredded cheese, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little hack. Pre-shredded cheese, because I'm a lazy dragon. And after about 2 hours, you're gonna be left with this. That's so pretty. And now we plate. We're gonna start with a little bit of shredded cheese on the bottom, because we like it extra cheesy. Now our chili comes on top. Ooh boy. A little dollop of sour cream on top. Just a little bit of chopped bacon on top. We're gonna do our pickled jalapeños and some green onions as well. And that's how you make delicious friggin' chili. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. No, that's a good chili. Ooh, it's got a kick. Oh yeah. This is definitely chili weather. Bye friends. Chili's so good. Love chili.